Today, Max and Tina are going to the market. They will buy vegetables, fish, chicken, and eggs. Listen carefully. We will learn how to shop in English.
What a nice day, Max. First, let's buy some vegetables.
Good idea. The shop is right here. Excuse me, how much are the tomatoes?
Hello. The tomatoes are 40 rupees per kilo.
Great! I'll take 2 kilos, please.
How much are the tomatoes? Tomatoes are many, so we use are. For one thing, we use is. How much is the fish?
Anything else?
Yes, we need potatoes. 1 kilo, please.
Sure. The potatoes are very fresh today.
Can you weigh them, please?
Of course. Look, 1 kilo and 250 grams. Is that okay?
Yes, that's perfect.
Can you weigh them, please? We use can you, please, to ask for help politely.
That is 130 rupees. How do you want to pay? Cash, card, or UPI?
I will pay by UPI. One moment. Done!
Payment received. Thank you.
Cash, card, or UPI? We use or when there is a choice. Tea or coffee, bus or train, cash or card.
Now, let's buy some fish and chicken.
Excuse me, which fish is fresh today?
The river fish is very fresh. It came this morning.
Wonderful! I'd like 1 kilogram. Please clean the fish.
No problem, sir.
Which fish is fresh? We use which to choose from many things. Which color? Which bus? Which fish?
And half a kilo of chicken, please.
Half a kilo of chicken. Anything else, madam?
Yes, a dozen eggs, please.
1 dozen eggs. Here is your bill.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Please come again. Have a nice day.
What a good shopping day, Max. We have everything.
Quick quiz. How much blank the eggs? Is it is or are? Are. Eggs are many, so we say, how much are the eggs? Great job! Wonderful listening. Let's remember our shopping phrases. 1. How much are the tomatoes? 2. I'll take 2 kilos, please. 3. Which fish is fresh today? 4. A dozen eggs, please. Now it's your turn. What do you buy at the market? Write it in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon.